by Ceremax, used since a decade in different projects, onshore, offshore, spool-based. We have wire feeder designed by Ceremax, control unit on the other side, also designed by Ceremax to ensure the good communication between wire feeding, welding bug, and power sources. Power sources is a solid equipment not designed by Ceremax. We purchase it. So you see inside there is two contact tips, only one nozzle for gas protection. You have a specific equipment here to ensure good focus of the gas protection inside the narrow gap bevel. Here we have a narrow gap bevel between 3 to 5 degrees angle to ensure that you have the less metal to deposit, because the less you weld, the less you have risk to apply. And you increase productivity also by reducing the quantity of metal to deposit. So on this application, it's downhill application, high speed, compared to what you have seen on sea area application or on flux core. 1 meter, 0.2 per minute travel speed. So at the same time, you will have 2 welding bugs, meaning that you have 4 arcs at the same time on this pipe. It's okay?
Just one complement, this is 56 inch, so this setup, for example, is the exact same setup that we could use on projects like Master Gas, MGS. So exactly same setup in terms of welding process.
Okay?
So this one is like demonstration. So the anti-garage we have with the clamp also there. So they also case here. So for example, deadlift, this one.